Looking for a smart way to protect your vehicle year-round while boosting fuel efficiency? The WF920 Series custom-fit winter fronts and bug screens are designed specifically for your vehicle, offering an easy, no-drill installation and reliable performance no matter the season. I was skeptical at first about how much difference a grille cover could make, but after trying the WF920 Series, I noticed a real improvement. The winter front is made from heavy-duty quilted vinyl that helps your engine warm up faster and keeps diesel engines running at their ideal temperature. This means better fuel economy during those cold months and a warmer interior faster than usual. Plus, the adjustable airflow doors let you control how much air gets through, so your engine stays just right. When spring and summer roll around, swapping out the winter front for the bug screen is a breeze. The bug screen uses a tough, tear-resistant mesh that shields your radiator and grille from bugs, stones, and debris. No more worrying about damage or clogs. Thanks to FIA's patented stick-a-stud system, installation is as simple as peeling and sticking a 3M adhesive-backed stud, then snapping on the cover. No drilling, no tools, just quick and secure protection. What stands out most is how durable and thick the material feels. Compared to other grille covers in the same price range, this one holds up better and installs without hassle. The strong adhesive keeps it firmly in place through all kinds of weather. If you're driving a diesel or just want to maintain your vehicle's performance and appearance, this winter front and bug screen combo is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values easy maintenance, reliable protection, and improved fuel economy, try the WF920 Series. It's a simple upgrade that pays off in comfort, engine health, and peace of mind. Ready to protect your vehicle all year long? Check out the custom-fit winter fronts and bug screens and see the difference for yourself.